This video is about my mounting of a Keihin PWK carburetor on my personal 93 GasGas that's been in many videos. I've owned it for many years. A PWK28 looks like this. There are some components you can use to mount them to the GasGas engine. I first started using one in 1995 on my bike, and I've had it on many bikes since, and I've installed many on other bikes for customers and compiled instructions and figured out jetting and many things for these. These are images of different applications I've done. So back to my bike here, my 93 Ducatos GasGas. I decided finally to mount a Keihin, so you can see here what it looks like done. This is the first thing you do is arrange for the reed cage and mounting flange, and then I mocked up a carburetor body. On the left is a standard air box, the right is a mock-up. So the first thing I did was I cut off the nose of the air box because I'm going to make a larger opening there for the Keihin carburetor, which has a larger rear. So I manufactured this cap out of sheet metal, the round part being exhaust tubing for a car, which is exactly the correct diameter, coincidentally. So I built this all up and test fitted it to my air box that I had cut the nose off, and put everything together kind of in the mock-up just to be sure everything aligned perfectly. Here's your, again, left one is stock. So then finally I did some trimming on the interior to be sure it fit nicely to the cap. This is 3M acrylic urethane windshield adhesive, bonds almost anything to anything. Then I did use some small sheet metal screws just to draw the piece into the air box, and during the curing process of the adhesive, then a little black spray paint, and then this is what it looks like together. The fact is, it's the area where the cap is hidden behind the chassis, so on this particular application it didn't really matter if it was a little ugly where that cap was on the box, because you don't see it. What does matter is that you don't have any leakage of material, because that cap is forward of the filter. The sealant ensures that, and so there's no leakage possibility. Thank you for watching my video.